Hi there! These are Sony's all-new LinkBuds Open. It comes with an open ring design that allows you to hear the outside sound while still listening to your music. More like transparency mode always on. Basically, you can wear these, enjoy your music and still have a conversation with the person without needing to remove the earbuds from your ear. They are actually a perfect everyday earbuds. They're ideal while commuting to work on a train or metro so you can hear the announcements. It's ideal to be worn for a run. You can wear it on your office desk while working. So if someone calls out to you, you can actually hear them. And more such scenarios like these. However, keep in mind they lack ANC. So probably I won't recommend this to be worn on a flight. I know this can be confusing, but don't worry, that's what I'm here for. We have two units with us of different colors, black and white. We'll talk about everything in detail, the fit, the sound, the experience, so you can decide if these earbuds are worth your money or not. Let's take you through a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. The one on the left is the white color. The one on the right is the black color. Which one would you pick? Well, let's unbox and have a closer look. So this is the white variant, LinkBuds Open, image of the buds here. Towards the bottom, some manufacturing details and the MRP of 26,990. Some more details at the back. On the top here, you can see it's made for iPhone, iPad, Spotify tab, works with built-in Alexa and Hey Google of support as well. Without wasting any time, let's quickly open it up. There you go. That's a nice box. Oh wow, that's nice. Let's pull this out. And right on the top here are the LinkBuds Open, the white color. Then you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Then we have some paperwork that no one reads. Now if you look at the box here, you can see it comes with the QR code for the companion app, so you can scan this and download that app on your phone. And goes without saying, you're going to have the exact same contents in the other box. Alright, let's have a closer look. So obviously the white and the black variant unleashed, and the first thing that grabs your attention is the unique sandwich case design. I've never seen an earbuds with this kind of a case in a really long time, or maybe never before actually. Now if you look carefully, they both come with the glossy top and the bottom comes with a matte finish. Very nice and soft to touch. The top portion is also really nice. It's got this glossy finish, but the black one obviously does attract more smudges compared to the white one. But that's something which we always see with glossy surfaces. Light surfaces don't attract as much as dark surfaces. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Also, they're really compact. They look big maybe because in the video, but they're actually very tiny. And if you look closely, the white one has this granite kind of a texture. It's soft to touch, but it has this little texture of marble, which also makes it truly stand out. You can spot the Sony branding on both these earbuds. Moving towards the back, you can spot the USB-C port and you can spot the pairing button as well. Alright, let's open up the lid and see, and yes, you can open it up with one hand. That's something I really appreciate in earbuds. It's always very handy. Let's remove these earbuds and see. And there you go. Here are the earbuds. Now I'm showing you both the white and black so that you can have an idea. And as you can see, it comes with a donut design. So this is basically hole which is allowing air and voice to come from outside directly to your eardrums, which gives that ambient mode and transparency feel all the time. Very nice. And if you turn on the other side, you can spot the drivers are like a ring design which are all around. Very cool looking design. You can spot the ear tips here, which will provide a better grip. Very nice, unique looking earbuds. Also, they're super light. Very comfortable. The LinkBuds Open come with IPX4 rating, which means there's no dust resistance rating, but yes, there is some water protection. Mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But still, keep it away from water as far as possible. When it comes to codec support, there is SPC, there's AAC, and there is LC3. Now LC3 is a successor of the SPC codec and is used in Bluetooth low energy audio profiles. It's designed for applications like video calls and audio calls. More on the experience later. Then we get Google Fast Pairing support. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once done, it will recommend you to download the Sony Sound Connect Companion app, which I highly recommend you do. Once done, follow the setup process and the device should be ready to use in a couple of seconds. Now more about the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Now unlike regular earbuds that snug in and block the outside sound, this one actually keeps it open so you can hear the outside sound. These new LinkBuds Open come with built-in wings that hold into your ear, providing a really solid fit. Initially, you might feel that they will fall off, but they actually don't. Additionally, keep in mind that each ear is unique and there is a learning curve to determine how this will suit you best. Personally, I feel like you're wearing nothing, primarily because you can hear everything from the outside. So psychologically, you feel that there's nothing in your ear. Also worn it for long hours at a go and I didn't experience any discomfort. It's kind of one of the most important things for earbuds, especially when it comes with an open design. Alright, what about sound? Firstly, you need to know that these come with 11mm drivers, which do a really good job when it comes to audio fidelity. I was surprised how clear the music sounded. Vocals are super crisp, in fact pretty good and decent bass as well, considering these don't seal your ear. Yes, the bass won't be as good as closed earbuds, but you can tune the equalizer and the extra bass from the companion app. I would still say, it's a perfect blend of impressive audio while still being able to access the outside world. We have all been there, where someone is trying to talk to us while we are wearing regular earbuds and the person actually gets so annoyed. Now with the Open, the problem is solved. We also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Sony LinkBuds Open. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a call. Each earbud comes with two microphones which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback about the sound quality. By the way, if you're wearing these and you receive a phone call, there is a head nod gesture. Simply do up and down to answer the incoming call or nod left and right to reject the call. You can toggle this feature on and off from the companion app. Then it also comes with dual device connectivity, kind of a must-have feature nowadays on every earbud. So here you can see on the app that we can connect it to two phones at the same time, or you can connect it to a phone or your laptop at the same time. So for example, if you're watching something on your laptop and you receive a phone call, you can answer it directly from the earbuds, talk, and once you hang up, the audio from the laptop will resume. Always handy. Then it also comes with adaptive volume control, which you can toggle from the app. Basically, the earbuds will analyze the noise around you and accordingly it will increase or decrease the volume. I personally prefer to keep this feature off, but I'm sure a lot of people will love it. Then there's also to speak to chat, which when enabled from the app, it pauses the music when it recognizes you're speaking to someone and it resumes the moment you stop talking. But frankly, this can be a little tricky. It takes its time to stop and it takes a second or two sometimes to resume the music. Can be frustrating. Also, with open earbuds, you probably won't need to use this feature because you can actually hear the other person. So I don't find this feature very helpful. Then it also comes with tap gestures where you can pause play the music, you can change tracks and even adjust the volume. You can further custom set the gestures from the companion app as per your preference. But my favorite feature, you can control it even by tapping on the front tip of your ear. It's super responsive and works flawlessly. A friend of mine was actually blown away seeing this feature. It's so cool. Then we also use these earbuds while watching movies and videos. Though Sony doesn't mention anything about its latency, it was actually really good. We didn't experience any lag or delay. Lip sync and the audio was spot on. Yes, you can also wear these while gaming, though I would say there was slightly noticeable lag here in comparison, but still very much usable for casual gaming. Talking about the Sony Sound Connect app, well, it's simple and clean. You can see the earbuds and the case battery, you can set the equalizer, you can see the connected devices, control music, then in device settings, speak to chat, custom set equalizer, spatial audio, 360 reality audio setup, and so much more. Then in Systems tab, here are some more features that we spoke about earlier in this video. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, coming to the battery. So Sony claims 8 hours of music playback on the buds on a single charge, plus 14 hours with the case. But that's on paper. What about in reality? Well, that's not far off either. You get about 6 hours on the buds, plus 10 hours with the case. Considering the size and the weight of the case, I think that's pretty good. The only con for me is that it lacks wireless charging, which I really miss because I find it so convenient. Alright, final thoughts. So the Sony LinkBuds Open are a totally different ballgame. The experience of being in the moment while still enjoying high fidelity music is absolutely priceless. Yes, it lacks ANC and super deep bass, but then for those, I suggest you get the Sony Mark V earbuds, which also have the similar premium features. But if you want comfortable fit with great sound while still being able to hear the outside world, the LinkBuds Open are phenomenal. They're priced at $18,990. They're available in two colors as I've shown you, black and white. They're already on sale. I'll share the links below of both these variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check these one out. So I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.